Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time is 15 minutes past the hour 5 in the afternoon. The ground temperature is recorded at 32 degrees Celsius or 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. During deplaning, passengers in the forward section of the aircraft shall deplane first. Our crew members will guide you on our order of disembarkation. May we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For passengers to need assistance, please deplane last. Our cabin and ground staff will be happy to assist you. Please be informed that we shall